For us, adventure is all about getting outside and exploring the world around you. And cooking outdoors can be a great part of that adventure too. Whether you're on a road trip, a hiking adventure, or even just camping out in your backyard. The best part about cooking outdoors is that every step of the process can feel like a little adventure in itself. From making the fire, to preparing the pots, to that first bite of your very own outdoor creation. But cooking on an adventure trip can be a little bit tricky, especially if you have to carry everything you need on your back. So we went to the experts in outdoor adventure cooking, the Wilderness Leadership School, and got them to show us a few tips and tricks for cooking outdoors and leaving no trace. I'm here with Rodney, who's been a guide for the last 12 years, and he's going to cook us one of his favorite meals. So Rodney, what are you going to cook for us?
I have a special menu here. It's called Fuhlela. Okay. Fuhlela means throwing everything in the pot.
Everything?
Everything that is edible.
And you just throw it in?
Throw in together. Fuhlela, we need brown rice, onions, garlic, sweet potato, green pepper, carrots, butternut, baby marrows, maize corns, beans. We put this coconut milk in, a stroganoff sauce, soya, which is a dehydrated vegetable protein, tomato paste, and cooking oil. If we have people who are not vegetarians, then we have this special ingredient, which is trivors.
Oh,
so we then hoe it, just fuhlela on top. So it becomes yummy.
First, prepare your cooking pots by coating them in a paste of mud or bar soap. Get a nice warm fire going and add some water to a pot to start boiling the rice. So we've got some water on the pot, and now we got the rice.
Brown rice, yes. So there is no measurement of the water. I use my eyes. This is an African way of measuring things. So we don't use numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
The water needs to be a little bit of 2 centimeters above the rice. Okay.
And Rodney, I noticed you are using this kind of sand here to build your fire. Why do you use this mud?
So we're practicing leave no trace, so that we don't leave impact. We have to leave this place as we find it. We collect a sand somewhere, a loose sand somewhere, and we put it here so that this fire cannot penetrate through the topsoil. Then we have to clear the space, we have to kill the fire, and then take everything and throw it away.
With the rice on the boil, it's time to start chopping those veggies and swapping a few campfire stories. So what is your favorite part about being on the trail?
I like the morning time and the evening times, like early hours of the evening, where after sunset, where animals are coming down to the river, and that quietness. It's amazing for me to see the sun disappearing behind the mountains. I also like to walk through the Tamboti bush, because when I smell that urine from elephants or buffaloes, it tells me that, oh, I'm at home. It's a sacred place for me.
Wow. And have you had any close encounters with animals while you've been on the trail?
Not very badly. I had a couple of incidents where elephants came to the camp, and I had to politely ask them to leave the camp, and they did so.
How does this look?
Beautiful.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, great.
By this point, the rice should be ready to take off the fire. So the rice is done.
Yeah, it's done.
Now we're going to do the rest of the dish here. So what do we do next?
The pot is hot now, so I'm putting a little bit of olive oil. Let it heat a bit. Don't do like a very formal thing. Just throw in everything. This is sweet potato, butternut. So I put it first. Okay. Fuhlela. Then you fuhlela. Just throw in carrot, baby marrow, and green beans. Put these things in as well. That's Fuhlela. It's beautiful now, eh?
That looks awesome.
Yeah. Diverse people.
Once it's all in the pot now, how long do we keep it here for?
I don't with numbers actually. So for me, once I feel it and I taste it, it's a little bit softer, not too soft, but just a little bit soft.
Okay.
Then it's ready for me.
Throughout this entire process, keep adding small measures of water to keep the veggies from burning. Right, so this is the stroganoff sauce.
Stroganoff sauce.
Okay.
So it goes well with meat.
Right.
Yeah, if you have vegetarians, so you don't have to put this.
That's smelling very good.
Fuhlela. Let it boil a bit.
That looks so good.
That's why we call it Fuhlela. I love the Fuhlela.
Oh, that smells amazing.
For those who eat everything like me, then I add this meat, this dry horse. It's a taste of Africa, because we love meat in Africa.
And the dry meat is just so that you can carry it.
Yeah, we don't have fridges. We carry the dry meat so that it doesn't get rot or rotted.
Okay, so this is to see if the veggies are ready.
Already, yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. This is the last ingredient, the soya.
Yeah.
Finally, add the rice to the mix and give it all a good stir.
That
A good dollop in there, wow. Okay, all right. Okay, so Fuhlela. Here we go. Wow, Rodney, that
Did
is.
you taste your horse as well?
I got some dribbles in there. Cheers. All that's left to do is kill the fire, scatter the mound, and you've just had yourself an epic outdoor cooking adventure.